Say you broke your car flip key like this and the car company charges a bomb to fix it. What would you do? What if I say you can get this fixed as good as new under 500 rupees right after this short intro coming up? Hey guys, my name is Rahil and today I'm going to fix this broken key so it looks as good as new like this. So these are all the remains of the old broken key, and by the way, this is a key of a 4-year-old Hyundai i20, and this what I have here is a key shell which I brought from Amazon for 500 rupees, which is incredible if you compare the cost of replacing the whole key set. Under normal conditions, you would disassemble the old key, carefully take off the PCB and keep it aside. But since you can see my situation over here, I don't have the luxury to do that. So once the PCB and the key is taken out from the old key shell, you might get tempted to throw this out of the window. But hold on, you need one more thing taken out from this key shell, and that is the transponder chip. Now this chip has a unique code which is paired up with the car's lock system, and this code acts like a unique key. If you damage this chip, then you will no longer be able to remotely lock or unlock your car. So take your own sweet time to do this. Once we got the key, PCB and the transponder chip, I can now throw this out of the window. Oh, by the way, I just realized my window is not this side, it's this way. Now it's time to disassemble this new key shell and see if this old metal key fits inside this shell properly or no. If it doesn't, then you can either get this key made from a key maker or locksmith, or you could simply take off this pin to remove this key from here. Do the same with the new key and interchange like this. Old goes to new and new goes to old. Now place back the PCB, transponder and the key very carefully. Now one last important step. Watch how I close this off. Put the spring, hold the shell like this, and now give a nice twist to give tension to the spring. Once it's done, you finish it off by pressing this together. Now let's put this screw in place. Put the battery in, logo in place, and you're pretty much done. Remember, if you don't give tension to the spring, then the key will not slip out. From this to this. Now considering the situation of my key, 2 of its buttons do not work as they are broken beyond repair. So make sure you change your key shell before it's too late. But hey, I at least got a key which looks as good as new. This process is pretty much the same for all flip keys. I will put the link which I find in the description box below, so do check it out. And also, if you have any questions, then please feel free to ask in the comment section below. So that's it for now. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next one.